Morning team, it's Tuesday, November 21st. I've been awake for a while. I was waiting to make the review because I haven't seen anything interesting yet. But neither I placed any trade. So we got some news and this FOMC tonight, but it's not a big one. As I always say, go to the real website, federalreserve.gov, and you see that the real one is in I don't know, 1 month, no, 3 weeks. Anyway, next one is in December. So there is a small one here. I don't know. London looks like pretty quiet again. Maybe New York gonna offer something more interesting. And these fuckers are keep pushing and pushing. So yesterday my long bias were right, but I would have got stopped if I placed my trade, which was where we were. I think I wanted to long here, and instead they run where I saw it and then pushed it. So yeah, let's go to our time frame as always. Okay, yeah, weekly doesn't say much. We are keep pushing and we are in OT, so you need to be aware of this. And daily finally reached the fair value gap I talked about yesterday. That said, I'm not convinced that the top is in. Doesn't look like. Maybe we pull back. Yes, maybe. But yeah, they left a new fair value gap now here. Yeah, they hasn't closed yet, so who knows? Maybe this one become red and this fair value gap goes by. Yeah, I don't know. This one is nice because it's confluent with this braid, and they completely ignored. So it would be nice if we pull back to give to go a little bit higher. But anyway, we are at resistance now, so longing blindly doesn't feel so good anymore, at least to me. I don't know about your systems. So H12 is up, H4 is up, H1 is up, not one single time frame pointing down. Sorry. Also, on hourly, all the moves are pretty efficient. Can you see that there is not one H4 fair value gap? Yes, on H12 there is one here, small, but look, H1 efficient. Look at this. Let's go and clean it. Look at this. All resistance touched. Yeah, like new support, resistance touched. Now here, resistance touched. You know, like SRA flip is working out. Yeah, maybe here, not really, but whatever. You know, the SRA flip is working out. So what does it mean? When the move up is efficient, it means that there is no fair value gap to pull back and go higher again. At some point when this thing's gonna reverse, because I think at some point this is gonna reverse, there are so many stops and liquidity here that they're gonna push it quickly, in my opinion. You know, this is from my experience, but yeah, I'm not going to anticipate any short move. I don't want to be that guy that called the top and then gets stopped 5 times before making the good short, you know. So yeah, I don't like that they push so early. They are doing this from many days now. Look at this. Was the bottom full Asia. Now the new bottom is this one, a full Asia. Then here, no, here at least they run Asia. Okay. So the last 2 days looks like the Asia was the bottom, and I don't like that myself, but you need to adapt to momentum, and it is what it is. So I don't know. There's so much liquidity here. There's liquidity here, there is liquidity here. I feel uncomfortable to blind long, you know. Anyway, this is the fair value gap on daily. Look at how equilibrium rejected perfectly. And if you really want to be like precise, you got to admit that M15 is currently down, okay? This low made a new high, got broken. Got broken. Now we're pushing down, you know. Yeah. I can't see a scalp short. I'm gonna be honest with you. I can't see a scalp short. especially with this Asia liquidity. But my trading plan say I cannot short unless there is some hourly confirmation, and so far hourly is not giving any bearish sign, like zero. So I got to stick to my trading plan and ignore the short signal on low time frame. Also, there is something I want you to notice. You know, I'm a big fan of the curve and this shifting momentum. I don't see any bearishness yet on low time frame. You know, I mean, we're still going up. I love when they start to curve. You know, look at this. Okay, this is momentum now. Okay. Can you see that we are kind of following this curve? Before they start to look for shorts, I should at least wait for them to go horizontal, you know, here. So my ideal plan to start to look for shorts should be something like this. Some more sideways, maybe another right, something like this, and then I can see shorts, you know. Big raid inside this daily, inside this daily order block. Untested, huge week, unmitigated. This will make me happy to start to look for shorts, something like this. Anyway, I think that's enough for me for today. As I say, I don't feel comfortable too long, especially with M15 down. Maybe if we pull back, take some liquidity, and I see a bullish rate, I'm gonna choose longs, because I think the long rally is not over yet. Okay, we'll post some more charts later. I will be around New York too. Have a nice day. Bye.